Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Oh, my baby is here. Anyway guys, so today is Sunday and it is a very exciting Sunday today because today is the Moms That Brunch Candyland brunch. If you've been watching me maybe since last year, you would know that I hosted the last Moms That brunch. That was last year, and today is this year's edition, and again I am going to be one of the hosts for this event today.
Mommy, what's so funny?
I'm not laughing, I promise.
What's so funny, Mommy?
I don't know, I'm not laughing, girl.
Oh, I know. I'm happy.
You're happy? I'm happy that you're happy, my love. I love you. Oh, that's a tight one.
Hi.
Can I talk to them now?
Yeah.
Okay. Earlier this week, guys, I lost my voice. Not like lost my voice, but yeah, what am I saying? I lost my voice. Not too much, but you could hear the raspiness in my voice. And in my head, I was just like, see who is supposed to host an event this Sunday. But I'm better now. My voice is better now, and I'm super ready and super pumped, feeling super pumped to host this event today. So it's Sunday and it's almost 11 a.m. Event starts at 2, but of course as a host I have to be there for like 1 p.m. or something. So I just want to have my bath right now and start my makeup. I'm going to do my makeup myself, just like last year's brunch. I wanted to get a makeup artist, but in my head I'm just like, I beg, let me just do it by myself. So I will do my makeup myself. I don't even know what look I'm going for, but I'll think about it and just come up with something nice. My outfit arrived yesterday. I'm wearing Makamba today. My lovely beautiful friend from secondary school down to university, in fact one of my closest friends ever. She's the owner of Makamba Official and she's styling me for today's event. I'll show you guys the outfit in a bit. And yeah guys, I'm excited for today. It's going to be so much fun. The program of events is just fun. Moms just want to have fun away from children and husbands, so it's just going to be all about fun today. So let me show you guys what the outfit looks like. I can go and have my bath because I know myself, if I don't go and have my bath now, I'm going to go late. So let me show you guys the outfit briefly, have my bath and start my makeup. All right, let's go. So this is my outfit. All right, so beautiful. I'm wearing Makamba like I said. The dress code for today's event is pastel, so pastel colors. So yeah, of course, basically the dress is more pastel. The buttons on the dress all the way down are pink. Tulle on the sleeves are lilac and I don't know what this is. It's like a pastel pink color. I think this color matches the buttons as well. And yeah, it's just a very nice cute dress. I love that the dress has got a slit in the middle like this. On the official Makamba page and website, the dress is almost like a boo-boo. In fact, it's a boo-boo dress, but I told her to make mine to be fitted. Okay, so yeah, this is my outfit. I absolutely love it. I knew I wanted to wear something that had lilac, you know, today. It's one of my favorite pastel colors, so I'm super happy that this looks like this. It's so pretty, so gorgeous. I feel like this dress should go with a pair of white shoes or white sandals, but I'm not even sure what. I would have loved to wear these. You guys know that since I got these shoes, I've not worn them out anywhere. I've worn them to create content, but to go out, I haven't really worn them. And they have like all these nice pretty pastel colors, but I feel like these colors are a major clash with the dress, right? So if this was just white, I would have worn this, but the pink, the yellow, the blue, I feel like it's just too much for that dress. I wanted to wear something plain white like this, but these sandals are not the most comfy. I don't know why these particular sandals, whenever I wear them, the straps always pull out. I don't know, while I'm walking. I don't know why. I'm actually quite confused. I don't know. The next best thing I would wear is this silver sandals, but as a host, I feel like this is just too high. My feet will start to ache, you know, after a while. Maybe I should wear these green mules, but the green with that dress will just be off. I don't know, guys. Anyway, whatever I wear, you guys will see. Whatever I wear, it's fine. The hair I'm wearing today is from Julieta Hair Collection. She's styling my hair for this event. So pretty. It's a blonde wig. You guys know I love blonde, right? So it's a blonde wig, but it's a really short bob, right? Compared to my other blonde wig that is like 16 inches. This is more like a very short blonde bob wig. And yeah, I'm gonna lay these once I wear it. So let me go and have my bath now and get ready.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules and that's facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Come along, I'll be sure.
Hey, co-hosting. Yes, we are. Hey, come on. I love it. Yeah.
Let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and
we have some yummy candies here. Don't say anything, please, if you're in the crowd. Do you remember? So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. All right. We're going to give our 3 volunteers one of this each.
Hold on, calm down.
You can't touch it, you can only taste it. I've not asked you yet. Until I ask you. I have to eliminate somebody. Man. All right.
Physical training, bodily exercise, it profits little, it's of small value. But our souls, it's a total package. Let's put our hands together for her again. Someone else in the house for the second talk. This person is very dear to my heart. Okay, 2 more people. Hey, we have our 5th contestant. 1 more person. Don't worry. We're about to take over. Alright. We need the name of the song and the artist that sang the song. Okay, stop. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Scrub by TLC. No. Scrubs. She says Scrubs by TLC. That is not the name of the song. Do you want to try again, or do we go to the next person? No, Scrubs, please. No Scrubs, please. The boy is mine, Brandy, and Monica. Yay! No idea. Once again. Don't know. Like really? Something dog. Next dog. Hold on. Next dog and something. That's not even the name of the song. You know I have to give it to you. Tracks. And people don't know that songs.
Try. Get the song in your head. You get it.
Okay, mother shoe. Yeah. Anita, please, we need you here. Thank you. Hard Knock Life by JC. Yeah, Hard Knock Life by JC. I can't be my two-face. So we have our winner, guys. A round of applause for her. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. So next up, we're gonna have our lunch.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shawty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Fuck with your boy, I'm the man of the year. I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him a fate, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man of your peers. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river, then stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going
Prepare yourself towards retirement so that when you are tired of working, you can actually have the source of income.
Okay, so the next game that we're going to play, you know that as mommies we do plenty homework. Can you see this beautiful box first of all? No, you're not Google. Hey, Sienna! Take you out and collect your phone. Collect you can't Google. How do you collect your phone? There's something else in there. Persuasion. So, but we need 2 winners. So she'll be our first winner. Okay? Once that brunch has said that they are all winners. So they watch from Sapphire Sense and Body Organics gifts. Alright? 6, 7, 8, come on! We have a winner!
Because sex matter is sweet. Whether you believe it or not. Woman that you are. When you're done, affirm yourself. Tell yourself I'm drunk dead gorgeous. Tell yourself that I birth children, I bring to life. I'm a co-creator. We're going to explain and talk about this misconception that we have out there about skincare.
Okay, so who were fans of soap operas growing up? Nigerian soap operas, foreign soap operas, let me see your hands. And we have amazing bags, Body Organics, and we also have wristwatches from Sapphire Sense. That was premier soap. Uche. Stunning. Look at that. Abuse. Just look at that. A potential candidate.
Yeah.
Stunning, guys. Behold.
Next on my list is Blessing Bashir.
Blessing would have gone.
Guys.
Oh, she's still here. My girl is still here.
I mean, see the blind
Come on, Pastel. Yes. Yes, girl. Come on. Oh, God.
Give it to us.
Yay. Yes. Moment of truth.
Chioma.
She was not expecting it.
Next on my list is the one and only Julieta.
Yes. Wow, pastel goodness. Come on. Adeze. Adeze is still here.
What is
Adeze. Aww. Adeze behaved herself throughout.
Thank you. You're going to catwalk to the judges. Are you ready? Are you?
Yes.
Yes, ladies. Come on. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, go. Today. Come on. So, let's go. Come on, Blessing. Yes, yes. Come on. Yes. Oh, come on. Let's go.
already knows.
Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Congratulations to our second runner-up. It's not easy. She was very attentive. I was watching her throughout. She was so attentive. Lovely, lovely. Okay. Woman marries, if a Nigerian man marries a foreigner, her husband automatically gets 2. Yeah. No other. Well deserved.
No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't